coming from far and near, y'all, to get together and have a moment. Watermelon and chicken, go eat it all, y'all. Lying dancing to our favorite songs. Some doing it right, some doing it wrong, y'all. Said it's a party for family and friends. And before it's over, can't wait to do it again at the family reunion. At the family reunion.
Family reunion.
Family reunion.
Family reunion.
Kids in horseshoe, playing pit, whist, and spade. Just thanking God for this family He's made, y'all. Cause we range in age from newborn to 83. It's just a blessing to have your family. Uncle Boogie and Gypsy talking loud. And Grandma Bunny, she's drawing the crowd. She says, my days may be short, my time won't be much longer, but keep on praying, cause God makes us stronger. Family reunion. She's 83, y'all.
Family reunion.
But she'll never see a black president, y'all. This is happening at the family reunion.
Family reunion.
Shirley sang for me.
I remember not so long ago when family would always come together. Children playing, cousins playing dominoes, and grandma she'd be in the back praying. She'd say, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, 'cause the Lord is coming back one day. So you better get ready. So come on in, come on in, enjoy the sound. Everybody's glad to see you, and I know smiling that you're there.
Family reunion.
And we're singing Shana, Shana,
Family reunion.
go on and play. Go on and play your guitar. Shana. Play it, say it.
Family reunion. Come on, man. You know, we want to send this one out to all the families out there. Now check this out. Having a family reunion is not just that thing when you get together once a year. You should get together once a week. You know, fry some fish, sit on the porch, just kick it. You know, show each other how much you love and care about each other while we still here, y'all. We also want to dedicate this one to all the folks out there that's in the military and also the ones that are incarcerated. Right now you might be gone, but you're never forgotten. We love you, baby. Now listen, if you know somebody that doesn't have a family, why don't you bring them on over to your spot and show them some
And
love.
we're singing Shana,
Shana,